Hi, what's up everybody? Tomcat back here again. So now we're on the other side walking back. Because why not? Oh, we're definitely not going to get a U-Haul here. They're leasing the building. That's a no-go. That's okay, that's life. Darn squirrel wouldn't stay in the shot. We got a park here. We can go to the park. Amen to that. Damn branch. Yeah, so we're not doing nothing, we're not saying nothing, we're just rambling. And I like to interject every once in a while because I don't like too much dead air. I see these people from the assisted living are walking. I don't want to get in their way. I don't want to be rude. Now one's crossing the street. That's fine, but I don't want to get in nobody's way. I don't want to cramp nobody's style, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, Tomcat's learned a lot on the road. And a lot of times it was alone. I spent a lot of time alone. In the woods. A lot of time alone. In abandoned vehicles. A lot of time alone. In life. Yeah, I had a wife and that's good. She wasn't always with me. We split up for a little bit. Not by my choice. And then we got back together. The cat was all alone. Cat's alone a lot sometimes. You see when I go to the woods and all, I'm alone. I don't take nobody with me. Just you guys. These are things I gotta do on my own. I'm sure we all got moments like that. And I gotta cross, I forgot, because I gotta go back to the left. Man. That's life. I like this building. It's nice. So I'm not going to keep you guys too long. No, nothing. Not my rule, so I respect it. I don't want to keep you guys too long. But I like to put out content, even if it's not too good. I try to. I do try. It might suck.